Welcome to my YouTube channel TechZone by Alice. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to sign up Canva account. You can use this account online and also download the app from your Play Store. First of all, you have to open the google.com and search Canva free. Then click on the first link. Scroll down to check the details. Now click on the sign up icon on the right top corner. Now you have to use your Gmail account, Facebook account, or another service to continue with Canva. Now I am going to continue with Google account. After the choosing of Google account, you will face interface like this. Here you have to choose the category for which purpose you have to use the Canva. If you want to try Canva Pro, then you can start the trial, otherwise you can try it later. So by following these steps, you can sign up the Canva account. From here, you have to select what you want to design. From here, I am going to make presentation. Then select the size of presentation. From here, you can choose the template that you like most. Now I am going to search the template on the importance of water. After it, you can choose the template of your own choice from all of these templates. So I choose one of template from here. I apply all the pages from here. You can also change the text and design. Increase the size of text. You can also change the page number by dragging the page from here. From here, you can change the text and add the elements or shape that you want. Now you can check your presentation. From here, you can share or download your presentation. You can also scan to upload photos and videos from your phone. Thanks for watching.